Do you know a good local tradie? How about we help them get work and we'll pay you for it?
Creating content constantly can suck. It's absolutely a hard job. But what I've created is an easy way to create content and remain authentic.
Looking for some extra income? Wondering how you can do that when you have to take the dog for a walk, drive the kids to school, actually just look after the family? It's not an easy challenge for a side income when you're so busy just running your life and probably working full time as well. So I have created a little plan for you to have a look at so that you can create a side income by just recording yourself authentically about the products that you're using on a daily basis. Obviously, not when you're driving in the car, but when you are doing whatever you're doing, putting on your makeup, brushing the kids' teeth, whatever it is you're doing, walking the dog, showing the great new brace that you've bought the dog. It all is called UGC creation. You're a creator. You're not an influencer. You don't need a following. You do not need to be so big on social that that's where you get your money from. You get your money from businesses being promoted by you using their products. They are looking for people like us to give them authenticity. DM below and I'll show you exactly how.